Hey guys, today's February 22nd, 2020, and I got a dilemma with my poor thin falling out hair, and so I'm going to cut it today. I was trying to get it one length, and it's just falling out so bad, and some of the pieces is like that long and it's falling out from the roots. And I was hoping, like more one length would make it look thicker, but there's just no hope for my hair. It's just too thin, too fine, too difficult to make look halfway decent. So the only thing left is I'm just going to have to cut it short, layer it, and hope for the best. And my husband said, well, you might need to leave it a little longer because then you won't see all the bald spots. So hopefully it'll work out. So we'll see. But guys, it's thin. No matter what, it's thin. There's very little bit of hair there. So I'm going to cut it. I'm going to spray it a little bit first. And here goes. Well, I'm going to keep at it. I stopped the video because I don't know that it's even going to show up as I'm working on my hair. So I've got to start it back up again. And there's really no, the way I do it, I don't recommend anybody doing it this way. Because basically, I just take off where I think it needs to be taken off, and I'm probably going to just leave this long back there, and now I'm going to be cutting here at the base, and maybe you can see better what I'm doing, but I'm probably not. Basically, I'm just going to be taking off what is below my finger. And the back is harder to do because you're not really seeing what you're doing as well. So then I got to take a mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. So that's about how much I want to take off that I got below my finger there. So then and I look, see what damage I did. And I'm probably going to take more off than that. I'm starting off with about that much, probably an inch. Can't see too well against this dark sweat jacket. Well, you can see how jagged it is in the back. Now I gotta fix that. Try to fix that. Now I'm going to try to tie this in a bit on the sides. Okay guys, I might do a little bit more. I don't want to make this too long. I'm not sure exactly how long it's gone here, but I might take and do a little bit more to the back. Not sure at this point, because sometimes what I'll do is just kind of go off to the side like this on both sides and just take off any little tidbits. It's, you know. So I'm going to stop this so it won't be too long, and I'll get back with you. Okay guys, there it is. There is the finished product. I don't know how well you can see. So I'm going to wash it, and hopefully it will settle down. Usually right after I cut, when you have like natural curly hair, some natural curl in my hair, it will be kind of really difficult to manage for a while. But this is all that I got in the way of hair. Not much hair.